Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by connecting accounts and repositories so Visual Studio can act as your Git client. First, make sure Git and the Git tooling workload are installed. Once done, sign into your GitHub account inside Visual Studio so credentials are cached. Then clone the remote repo or create a new local repository from the IDE. This establishes the origin, remote, and workspace. You do this now to avoid command line friction later, and to let Visual Studio surface commits, branches, and remote. You switch to a feature branch immediately to keep main stable. Use the branches pane or the Git menu to create and check out a branch. Make edits, then stage specific files in Git changes. Stage often and write short, descriptive commit messages so history stays readable. Once you have logical commits, push that branch to origin. Pushing publishes your work and enables a pull request. If conflicts occur, Visual Studio will flag them. Use the merge editor to resolve and continue the flow. You finalize by creating a pull request so reviewers can approve and CI can run. Use Visual Studio's pull requests extension or open it on GitHub to add reviewers and a description. After approvals, merge into main and then fetch and pull in Visual Studio to update your local main branch. Make sure to delete the feature branch if finished. If things go wrong, check authentication tokens, verify origin remote URLs, and confirm the Git credential manager. These fixes resolve most push or pull failures quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.